All right, so this is your test over using ratios and unit rate reasoning to solve ratios. I did this wrong. Use ratios and rate reasoning to solve real world problems involving unit rate. So the first part says circle any of the following ratios that represent a unit rate. Now remember, unit rate is how much one of something is. So you're thinking miles per hour. Uh, I can't think of a single other example. Miles per gallon. You're thinking of something over one, okay? So I'm pretty much giving you the answer here. So if you see a ratio that's a number compared to one, that's your unit rate. I'll give you a hint, there's more than one here, so don't just circle one. Okay, level 3 questions. So number 2 says a store sold 3 chairs for $250. What is the unit rate? Now, like I just said, you're trying to figure out how much does one chair cost. That's the unit rate. So set up your proportion. Remember, dollars always goes on top. Go from there. Number 3, Natasha drove 160 miles on 5 gallons of gas. How far can she drive on 1 gallon of gas? Okay, so once again, you set up your proportion. It's going to be something over something to find out how far she can drive on 1 gallon of gas. Number 4, Diego can drive his car 78 miles on 3 gallons of gas. Anton can drive his car 96 miles on 4 gallons of gas. Whose car can go further on 1 gallon of gas? So this one, you have to find two different rates. Diego is 78 miles and 3 gallons, and Anton is 96 miles and 4 gallons. So you're going to have to solve two different problems and compare them and tell me whose car can go further on 1 gallon of gas. And number 5, at the store, beef jerky was $27.52 for 2 pounds. If you bought 5 pounds, how much would it cost? So first you have to find out how much 1 pound is, which you'll get when you do 27.52 over 2. So I'm pretty much giving you answers here. And then you have to multiply that number by 5 to find out how much 5 pounds would cost. Level 4, you don't have to try, but if you are feeling brave today, you should go for it. So number 6 says Marcia plays in the school basketball season. Through the first 6 quarters of play, she scored a total of 28 points. If she keeps scoring at this pace, A, how many points will Marcia score in 11 quarters? B, how many points will Marcia score after 5 games? C, if the season is 12 games long, how many total points will Marcia score? And then D, how many points does Marcia score per game and per quarter? So again, you don't have to do that unless you feel like it. Okay, good luck.